everyone, it's Arlene from Arlene's Creations, and today I'm going to show you how I made my fall centerpiece with everything from the Dollar Tree. So right here I'm just showing you all the different flowers that I bought from the Dollar Tree. I wanted to kind of stick with the burnt oranges and the yellows and the burgundies, and the cattails I absolutely love, and just the berries and the fall leaves. The ears of corn are so adorable. They had tons of them there. Those were really nice picks that I had found at the Dollar Tree. Those are just the bags of the leaves, which I'm going to use for another project. I didn't use them in the centerpiece. Those are like burlap leaves. I didn't use them either. They're for a wreath I'm going to be making. And then I just picked up some ribbon. Some had pumpkins, some had leaves, some was just like the just the colors in a pattern, the first one. These pumpkins are like ceramic. I absolutely love them. They're like a brown with speckled with beige. They had all different colors, all different types. These leaves were gorgeous. I love those, and the color, they had those in different colors. And then those are the scarecrow picks. And then I got some raffia. I'll be making a big scarecrow out of a wine bottle. The bales of hay. Oh, I love the mini bales of hay. So super cute. And those were lights that I have to buy batteries for them, but I wanted to see how they would look. Sometimes with the Dollar Tree, I don't like that kind of stuff. But to make my centerpiece, I have the two rectangle pieces of the foam. So how I'm starting is I took my 2 pieces of foam, and I didn't even take the plastic off of it. I just left the plastic on because that stuff can get messy. You're going to need a hot glue gun, some scissors, some glue sticks, and you're going to need wire cutters to cut your flowers. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your 2 pieces of foam, and you're just going to attach it. I kept the labels on the bottom. So you're just going to put some glue, and then I'm going to attach the 2 pieces, which my glue gun really wasn't as hot as I wanted it, so I'm just waiting a minute for it to heat up more. Now, when I opened up the bales of hay, the hay was going all over the place. So I had the bright idea, not really, but I did it anyhow, was just to spray it with some spray adhesive to try to keep it on so that it didn't fall off so much. If you have another suggestion to do this, please put it in the comments below, because then the hay was really sticky. My table surface was sticky, and it was kind of sticking to the paper towel, and the hay was sticking to my fingers. But after a while it dried and it didn't get so sticky, but at this point it was really sticky. As you can see, it's sticking to my fingers. But it did keep the hay from falling all over the place. It basically just stayed right to the bale. So now I'm going to take my 2 pieces of foam, and I'm just going to glue in the middle to keep them together. And you want to put a nice amount of glue, and just hold it together for about 2 minutes or so to keep it together. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my ribbon. So I'm just pressing the 2 ends together to keep it to stay. You want to do it a little bit longer. I didn't do it very long. So now I decided to use this pretty ribbon. And I'm just going to, I cut it actually, to go around with a little extra. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to glue to the end. And I'm going to attach my bale of hay to each end, so you're not going to see where the ribbon, where you're attaching it to the sides. So that's not going to show at all, because your bale of hay is going to be attached at both ends. Now you're going to pull it really tight. Pull it really tight and then glue the other piece like so, which I had to cut because it was a little too long. So now just put some glue on the end of that piece of ribbon and hold it tight and secure it in place. And be careful you don't burn your fingers. I have so many scar marks on me from the hot glue gun that it's crazy. So just be careful. And then I put a little dab of glue just to hold it, but it was, I needed to pull it tighter, so I pulled it tighter and then just held it for a minute till it stayed. So it stayed really nice and tight, which I didn't have to put the glue around the other sides. So I also picked up 2 of these really pretty, like amber goldish color, what do you call it, candle holders. So I'm going to put them in the center. But what I did here, and I thought my camera was on, but it shut off, was I glued a pumpkin onto each bale of hay at each end, like so. And now I'm going to put the glue on the bale of hay and attach it to each end of the centerpiece. And it's about the same width, so it turned out really good like that. And I'm going to do it to the other side, which that's not in the camera view, I don't think. So again, just put a ton of glue on it and then press it to the other end and hold it on tight for a minute until it's all adhered. So I just hold it for a few seconds to make sure that it's nice and stuck, so to speak. So those are the glass jars that I bought from the Dollar Tree, and I just love the color. And I was going to take the labels off the bottom, but with all the flowers around it and everything, you can't even see them, and they're a pain in the neck to get off. So I just put the glue on it and stuck one in the middle of each one of those styrofoam logs, if you want to call it. So directly in the middle, and they stay nice and secure. Then I already had pre-cut a lot of the flowers to go around, so I'm just randomly just taking flowers and sticking them right in the foam. No hot glue needed for this part, because if you want to take this apart and use the flowers for something else or use the foam pieces, it's very easy to disassemble. So as you can see, I'm just sticking it into the foam base. And I did do, not that many flowers, but I did get to put some on to show you. But you could do it however you want. And you just keep randomly just putting flowers, adding the berries, adding the picks with the leaves, until you get the desired look that you want. Because I didn't know that my battery was low. So here I was basically doing the whole entire thing. And then when I went to shut my camera off, it was already off. So it cut out midway. So I apologize for that, but it was too late at that point. I really like the way that it looks, so I didn't want to take it apart and redo it. So, but you get the gist. Most people out there that watch my channel are crafty people. And like I said, you can just use whatever flowers you would like and just put them wherever you would like. Try to do uniform on both sides. Like what you do on one side, you do on the other. And just until it's nice and full the way you want it. I love the sunflowers. I love the berries, like the burgundy colored berries. And the tan flowers are kind of like a very lightweight, like burlap type, if you want to say. And yeah, so at the end, you'll see the finished centerpiece on my dining room table. And so that's all I'm doing is I just keep putting flowers, putting flowers. I added the cattails. Like I said, some fall leaves here and there. Then I added one of the scarecrow picks right in the middle. I will be putting the tea lights inside the candle holders, the LED ones. But I'm just playing around with it. If I don't like the way it looks where I'm putting it, then I put it someplace else. And this way you're not gluing it. So it's very easy to move them around because you're just sticking them right in the foam. So it's perfect. And like I said, if you didn't want to store this for next year, you can always just take the whole thing apart. It's all the flowers you can save for another project. And, you know, the candle holders will come right off. They're just with a little bit of hot glue. And see, I love those berries. So pretty. So you're starting to see it form and take shape. And like I said, there's no rhyme or reason. And you always want to cut your stems on your flowers a little bit longer, because if you cut them too short, you know, you could always take away, you can never add back. So I always cut the stems like to the bottom where they start on the bush. And then if I need to cut it a little bit more, I cut it a little bit more. But if you cut it too short, you know, you can't really, well, you can add to it with wire, but that's just a pain in the neck. So yeah, so just keep going around your structure. And you'll see how nice it comes together. And I'm very pleased about this project. I will be doing another video on the gorgeous wreath I'm going to make with all the leftover flowers and leftover picks and the ribbon that I have from this project. And yeah, so it's going to be you know, 2 projects out of 1 trip to the Dollar Tree. And you really want to get to the Dollar Tree now because all their stuff is out. They even have all their Halloween stuff out because, you know, once it's out, it goes. And, you know, you might want to try to do this like for October or November, but then you're going to go to the Dollar Tree. You might not be able to find any of this stuff. So you want to get to the Dollar Tree now. Today is August 9th. And I actually went to the Dollar Tree, not yesterday, the day before. So on the 7th, and I picked up all this beautiful stuff that they had there. It was very, very full packed with everything. So I actually think I have a video of me at the Dollar Tree, but I didn't upload it, but I'll do the haul another time. So yeah, so there you have it. Just keep adding and adding until you're happy, and you will end up with a gorgeous centerpiece. Okay, now to the live video of my table. Alright, so my camera ended up dying when I was in the middle of putting all the flowers and everything into the styrofoam base that I was showing you. So I didn't realize it, so now that it's put together, this is what it looks like. So you can see the ribbon on the base down there, all the flowers. I attached the bale of hay to the block, and then with the pumpkins, these ears of corn I just put at the end like so. I did pick up these placemat type of things from the Dollar Tree, and I just made a runner going down my table with them. And I wanted to embrace all the burgundy colors and the burnt orange and the beige, so I think it looks super cute from both sides. The candlesticks holders, I'm going to put the LED lights in there to light it up, and it'll glow at night. I think it'll look super cute. But yeah, so that is my table runner with my centerpiece, which I think came out super cute. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Get to your Dollar Tree now for all of this stuff, because you know once it's gone, and they already have everything out for Halloween and for fall. So go get everything you need to make this pretty centerpiece for your table. And super cute. I have so much stuff left over, like flower wise, and I have another foam wreath form, which I'm gonna make a wreath, but you know, because I have so much of the flowers and everything left over, so I'll be making that. So stay tuned for that video coming up soon. I will be starting my fall soaps. So, you know, some fall soaps and some Halloween and some Christmas soaps. They do take about 4 to 6 weeks to cure, so I'll be starting that very soon. But I was real busy doing a Dreamcatcher themed baby shower, so I kind of couldn't do videos for a while. And then I was in Georgia for a week for the baby shower, but I do have one video on how I put together the Dreamcatcher wall hanging, so that'll be up soon, plus a full video of the Dreamcatcher themed baby shower. Super cute. So as soon as I get my fall stuff all together, then I'm going to be working on a circus themed first birthday party, and I can't show pictures of that yet, but I'll be making the videos for that, and the party's actually not until the end of January. But I want to get all the centerpieces and stuff done. Wait till you see those. Super cute. But yeah, so anyhow, this is how my centerpiece came out. I absolutely love it. You can use any ribbon, you can use any flowers. I love the cattails that they had at the Dollar Tree. Super cute. The little scarecrow picks. The bales of hay. I love, 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 love. They are so adorable. Looks like a real little bit bale of hay. They do kind of make a mess all over, but you know what? Oh well, they're too cute. I love the ears of corn. And these pumpkins were so pretty. They had so many different kinds and colors, but I like this brown with the beige speckle. So yeah, so there you have it. Thanks everyone for watching. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll know. And please give it a thumbs up. And thanks everyone for watching. And happy fall coming up. All right, everyone. Take care. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.